Are you a business owner, content creator, or entrepreneur struggling to create high-quality marketing content? In this video, we break down Holo AI, the all-in-one AI marketing tool that transforms your brand into ads, emails, and social media content in minutes. In this Holo AI review, we explore how this AI ad generator learns your brand's tone, creates high-performing marketing materials, and helps you produce content 10x faster than manual methods. First, we'll cover what Holo AI is. Then, I'll show you how it works. Step by step, we'll go over the best features and tools. I'll give you the pros and cons. We'll look at some real results and use cases. And finally, I'll show you how to get started today. Whether you're launching campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or sending high-converting emails, Holo AI has tools to help you scale your brand without hiring extra help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to join Holo and start creating amazing content instantly.